So hey guys, in this video I'll tell you how you can unban your WhatsApp account or how you can fix this kind of problem where it is written this account cannot use WhatsApp. So friends, if you want to fix this problem, so for this first of all open any browser and here in the browser search WhatsApp contact support and friends then tap on first website which is contact WhatsApp. Simply tap on this website guys and here scroll down your page and first of all fill the number in which you are facing problem and then fill your email address and then confirm your email address and then guys choose the device in which you are facing this issue and after then describe your problem and friends after filling all these boxes then tap on next step option and guys after then tap on send question option. So guys as you tap on send question option then WhatsApp team will try to resolve your problem and guys keep in mind that always use the WhatsApp application from your Play Store or App Stores and never spam in WhatsApp and always follow the rules and guidelines of WhatsApp. And friends, if you have any questions, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to channel to get more interesting and latest videos like this.